Fine. So coming to the an example for local storage means we'll talk first the local storage example over here. So in this local storage, what I am doing here is I'm just doing instead of explaining the code, I will just first run the program so that you can get some idea what we are doing here. So this is the program. Hope you are visible here. It is visible to you, right? So this is a program. I'm just zooming. So in this program, what is the purpose of local storage? The local storage talks about the local storage is going to discussing about it will stores the data locally and it will not be deleted until you forcefully delete it. It's a permanent, it will be stored. So what I'm doing here is I'm just giving as the username is Rashid and the password I'm just giving as 12345. Okay. So once if you are clicking here first time, I'm just clicking for first time, click. So already I have run the program. That's why it is already run this program. This is for fifth time. So if I run for this next time, if I click on this, it's a 6. The count is 6. If I run another time, the count is 7. If I run another time, the count is 8. The meaning of this program is just we are storing by clicking of this one, we are storing the data, and in this program we are saying how many number of clicks you have given. That data will be stored inside. So whether it is stored, whether first of all username and password is set properly or not, if it is set properly, then we are going to be getting that the data, and we are also getting the data, the count, how many number of clicks you have done it. If you observe carefully, when I click here, it shows hello Bashir 9. That is the 9th time I'm clicking. If I change here kkb, so the username whether it is getting or not, see hello kkb. So it is setting, it is storing with the help of set item, it is getting with the help of get item. If you want, you can use the remove item. We are in this program, we are not using remove item. If you want, you can use it. So that is the objective of the program. Now coming to the program. Now in this output, tell me what are the HTML elements are available to design this page. First of all, this is HTML, right? So here we have a username. It is one more is text field, another password, it is a password field, and there is a button. The name of the button is click. So when you are clicking this one, the function, the JavaScript has to call, the function has to call over there. So the page look like we have a input elements, input tags, type equal to text and type equal to password, and we require a button, type equal to button. Now first of all, look into the body. Here I am considering a form name is F1. So what's the body background is here? I am using cyan. The body background BG color is cyan color. Text color is red. Text color red only, right? So text is what? Red. What is the background? This is cyan, right? Now I am creating a form. F1 is a center. Centrally I am creating a form. Inside the form, I am creating two different text fields. One is type text username here. The first one is username. His type is text. I'm giving just your name is UN, because to refer what the data you entered, into the text field, to refer that one, I am going to using the name equal to UN, and also the password, input type equal to password, name is PWD. Now I'm creating a button. What is the name of the button? Click. Name of the button is click. When I click on that, on click is an attribute which is available in most of the input text fields. When I click onto that button, on click equal to, what is the function it is calling? Click count. The click count will be function will be calls here. It calls the function. So when I'm clicking on this one, on click, whether I pressed or not on the button will be decided by this on click attribute. So on click attribute, when you click on that particular button, it will call click function. So see here, this is the script. JavaScript will discuss in the next unit, but for time being, you please try to understand the minimum things. Script. So we are writing a script in between the starting tag of script and ending tag of script starting tag and ending tag. Now once it is done, we are creating a function. What is the function name on click equal to? Click count. So in the JavaScript, like in the normal programming, in the C or other programming, no need to be use the function name, function keyword. But in the JavaScript, we had to be use a keyword called as function when you're writing the or when you're implementing the function definition. Function is a predefined keyword. Function space click count. Click count is a any username. You can give it. Click count. It is starting the function from here to here. The function starts. Now inside the function, I am defining a variable called as uname, where I am entering the username, in the HTML form. So what is the form name? F1. What is the text field name? UN. What you are accessing? Value. So how you are accessing? In form 1, in one of the field with UN name, access that value and store in uname. So it will be store in uname. It will access in the form 1 in the name of the field with a name called as un, get that value. That is a meaning here. Password. So password is a user defined variable. Now f1 dot the password name field value. So what is the form name I am using here? The form name I am using here is f1 dot un dot this value I need for password f1 dot pwd dot this value I needed. So how to access that is here f1 dot un dot value f1 dot pwd dot value. Now up to now we are accessed the username as well as password. Now local storage dot click on. So local storage already you are aware is an object. We have local L small whereas S is capital. Local storage dot click count. So click count is a predefined like length, like we have len like this. We have click count is a count to calculate that one. So here what we are doing here is in the click count, what we are doing local storage dot click count equal to number is a function. Automatically normally Java will take input as string. Hope you learn this statement in the Java, right? Already have learned this one. Every input, whatever you are giving in the Java, it considered as a strings. So that's why we are going to converting that into numbers. Number of local storage dot click count plus 1. For that it is going to be adding plus 1. First time when you are clicking, it is click count initially what we are mentioning here. The click count is initially is a 0 we can mention. First time it is clicking 1. Next time it is clicking, it will add another 1. Like for 1, another plus 1, 2. Next time 2 plus 1, 3. Next 4, 3 plus 1, 4. Like this it is counting that local storage counts. Local storage dot click count of number of click storage dot local storage dot click count plus 1. So the meaning here is you are whatever you are clicking on that, it will comes as a string. It will convert into a number. For that number you are going to be adding 1. Now this is local storage dot how to set the item in the local storage with the help of set item. Set item of username comma key. Here is a username, value is uname. Where the value we are getting from here. How this uname will come from the form, from the union we are getting this value. So whatever you are entering in the username, it will stores in uname, and that uname you are going to be setting as a key, as a value for this username key, and this total with the help of set function you are setting and storing in local storage. How to get it? Get item, how to get it? And also we need to set the password as well, right? So local storage dot set item password comma password we are setting. Now once it is done, if you click on that item, we are going to be get back. We are getting the item. How we are getting the item? With the help of local storage dot get item. For get item, what is the parameter required? Only key, but not value. So key value is username. You want username only, right? So no need of password. So password will not be revealed. So that's why key name we are getting. Get item of username. So alert is a function. Like in Java also you have learned it about the alert functions, alert dialog box. We have information dialog box. Like this, some dialog boxes we are displaying. So here alert is a function dialog box which is comes for the browser. Hello, we are mentioning here the message hello. hello plus symbol. Already you are aware in the Java how to concatenate the previous statement. System.out.println. Then addition of two numbers is plus symbol you are using, right? Hello plus localStorage.getItem. Whatever the item related to, value related to username key, that will extract, plus local, we are giving a space here, plus a simple space, single quote space we are mentioning here, single quote space, plus localStorage.clickOn. Like this we are displaying hello. The username is, for example, kkb, means hello kkb colon. If you want any space, the click count, it is the first time when you are clicking, 1. It is second time, 2, 3, 4. So initially 1 will be there. For 1 it is not display. After one click it will be display the rest of, if by default. So see, initially localStorage.click count, initially what the click count is 0. So if 0 means where it go, the function runs else block. localStorage.click count equal to 1. Now it is initialized to 1. Next the program will again, second time you are clicking. When you are second time when you are clicking, the local storage click count is 1. If 1 means if true, it goes to increment to 2, and it set the password username, and it set the username password, get that one, display it. So initially else block will be executed, so that the variable localStorage.click count will be assigned as 1. Next time onwards, for next clicking onwards, this if true block will be executed. Clear? That's about the client, the local storage.